Nhasi ndasangana nebhishu guru remuZimbabwe, Mr. Chijanja.
What's up, how are you, my guy?
Utakanga says bishu renyika.
Yeah, bishu renyika. Say my title right.
Any expectations kuya kwamaita so far?
Not too much expectations, but I'm just going to enjoy the show. Yes.
What about you, Anna? Ndadokushayaka nemakeup. Ndaona kuti amana baby Riverside naida pusha Thomas.
Honestly, it's just all about seeing fashion for me and seeing people. It's been long. I last saw some of those people who usually come at such awards last year. So it's all about seeing people, how fresh they are, how
What about the
if
awards?
they have been married now.
What about the awards?
The awards, it's okay.
Later.
Yeah.
But you guys think kuti pamwe pane imwe at least category ingakwanise kuedwa neNama for the next edition, maybe the 24th edition?
Bishu of the year.
It's automatic. I'm going to
Bishu
win
of
that
the
one.